and my batteries. Oh my god, this perfume is so good. If you can smell this, it's so good. I like it so much. And then I don't know. Oh, this is the whole set. And then I'm going to show you what they are. For this, there are some eyeshadows, and then this is the blender, and then this is the gloss. Oh my god, I have not tried this, but I think Marcia has that. That's why I buy it from Haral. And then this is the lip gloss, and this is the lipstick, and this is the blender again for a blush. And then these two are nail polish. If you see, this pink one is so good, and blue one. And this is hair color, and I don't know which color it is. I think it's pink. I saw you everything, so I'm sure. This one's ready. It smell. You. It looks so bad. I'm sorry. Oh my god, sorry. I have to buy this. Yeah, it's good now. Sorry.